Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Liking. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's see today's problem. Exit point in the matrix. Given the matrix of size m cross n consisting of zeros and 1, you start at the top left cell 0, 0. Initially you move in the left to right direction, that is towards the right. While traversing the matrix, follow these rules. If the current cell contains 0, continue to the same direction. If the current cell contains 1, change the direction to the right clockwise turn and update the cell value to 0. You continue this process until you move outside the boundaries of the matrix. Your task is to determine the coordinates row and the column index of the cell from which you exit from the matrix. So in this question we are giving a 2D matrix which contains 0 and 1s, 0 and we are currently at index 0, 0, and we need to move initially from the left to right direction, and whenever we encounter 1 we need to turn clockwise right. Okay, and make the cell 0. So initially we are at 0, we move towards the right, we encounter 1, we change the direction, we encounter again 1, we change the direction, we encounter 0, we continue, and from then we move out of the matrix. So we need to return the index from where we move out of the matrix, which is 1, 0, 1 row and 0th column. So it is a medium problem, but it is a pretty simple problem. The first things, we need to maintain the previous x and previous y. Currently we are at x and y position. We need to maintain the previous x and y, because when we move out of the boundaries of the matrix, we need the previous position from where we have moved out. Also, we need to have a variable which tells which direction we are moving in. For that, I am going to have two variables, direction x and direction y. Currently we are at moving from left to right. Direction x means 0, we will incrementing x by 0 and y by 1. It means we are moving towards the right. If we be incrementing x by 0, it means we are staying at the same row, and incrementing y, it means we are moving towards we are incrementing j and we are moving towards the right. Okay, if we while till x is greater than equal to 0 and x is less than 0, these are the conditions till we are in the boundary of the matrix. If we encounter a 1, we will check, we need to change the direction. If we then we will check the our current direction. If our current direction is from left to right, we need to make it we need to make it to the bottom, or we like this. If our direction is towards the bottom, then we need to make towards the right, towards the left. If it is towards the left, then we need to make it towards the upper. If it's upwards, then we need to make it towards the right. So these are the conditions here, and then we will make a matrix of x, y to 0, and previous x and previous y will be stored in px and py. We are going to increment x and y positions by direction of x and direction of y. After that, this loop is terminate. It means we have moved out of the boundaries of the matrix. We are going to return the previous position of x and y. The time complexity will be big of m cross n. Space complexity will be big of 1, because we are not using any external space. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.